Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, Chapter 95, Part 2. Now that I want to split it, I find that the personnel and the business are intricate, and I'm afraid it will take some time. Mr. Ji Xingyun said, it's just too loyal. How can there be a company like you two? But even the businesses is split, and the two of you can be divided. Well, she seems to be right. Uncle Ding, right now, he was talking still to Ji Xingyun. It's natural. I will keep room for seeing you, and she can come back at any time. Well, let's really hope for this. But Mr. Ji Xingyun will really get back on what's for raising you, and he will never take it away from raising you again. Mr. Ding, I think the company of Wei family has to be seated by you. Oh, this is troublesome. This is natural after all, seeing you. It's what I saw, and I grew up. Well, for this moment, Xing Yun tries to win the heart of the old Dings. But do you think he can be prevail? Right now, Ji Xing Yun seems that he don't really like what Mr. Ding said. Trying to stop Mr. Ding, but looking at it. Okay, you two, can you listen to the children's playing piano well? Oh, Uncle Chen. Now, he's been interrupted. The old man, Mr. Ding, and Ji Xingyun. So the two of them can focus. Two lovely ladies. Now, they're in sync on playing piano. It was a lovely melodies. Both of them are on the right rhythm, especially Ji Xiao. He was only supporting Wei Xingyu. Right now, the two of them, looking at each other, the deep meaning of their self. Still, Ji Xiao, she was looking at her, and she is playing the piano perfectly. Still, the two lovely ladies are engrossed on playing piano. The lyrics of the song was really meaningful to the two of them. She once was a true love of mine. Well, she really is. After playing song and hours has been passed by. Now, it past midnight. Seems that the party is already done. After having a lot of discussion, especially for the oldies, party is finally over. Two of them are walking and standing outside the door. They're sending the visitors away. Two of them are waving each other's hand. Probably they saying goodbye to them. Still, Shisho said to her, facing you, you know, what is the meaning of the song Scallop Market? Well, why suddenly Jishao got really interested and asking her. Facing you seems to be surprised. Right now, she is shaking her heads. Jishao seems to be fond of teasing her. Look at her, she really looks happy. Well, still facing you, she looks really puzzled. Although Jishao right now, she said to her, it only means even I'm gone. Please, remember me too. Oh, this girl. She know how to say lovely things, especially right now. She's trying to be cute. Suddenly, their talking was got interrupted. Driver is calling them. Miss Wei, we should go. The car is still waiting. Near to them. But this two girl, facing you look back, and said to her, don't worry, I will not forget you. Well, of course, she will never forget her. Especially, she is the one she loves. Right now, facing you. When she looked back, Jishao, she trying to grab her hand. Well, probably, she really don't want her to go right now. But, since she was already 18 years old, and she has a right to move out, especially without even guardian. Facing you, when you go to the new environment, you must pay attention to safety, and you should contact me in time if you have anything. Oh, this girl, of course. She don't want to leave her. That's why she really want to tell her a lot of things, especially taking care of herself. And if you live alone in such a big house, don't watch horror movies at night. Oh, she was really scared on horror movies. The driver is calling again. This way. Well, let's go. Don't let them wait. Well, finally, seeing you, she will come back to her house. Jishao, she really sent it. Right now, she's trying to open the door. And it's make Wei Xingyu seems to be surprised. It was getting late. The two of them need also to take rest. Right now, the driver said, "Get in." Well, Wei Xingyu, she will really leave her today. 18th birthday. Now, she become independent. She can stay at her home without any supervision of Ji Xingyun anymore. But looking at this, Jishao right now, she seems to be upset. Also, she looks really sad. Of course, what I am doing. It's not that I can see it again. Well, of course, she really gets sad. After a year fast, now, this is also the time the two of them need to be separated. She was calling Jishao. How did you came back? Of course, maybe. Seeing you right now, you really don't want to leave her. But also, she will gonna miss her so much. That's why Wei Xingyu told her, I am adult already. Well, of course, she's been adult today, so she can do anything without anyone stopping her. Well, this lady suddenly moved closer to Jishao. Now, she's holding her cheeks. Jishao, she seems to be surprised. Said, so what? Of course, she was really concerned about her. Suddenly, she turned back and she kissed Jishao. It makes Jishao to really fall surprised. Facing you, she's been bold these past days, especially her feelings towards Jishao. Now, it's also a result that she really missed her so much. Jishao, she keep herself focused, and facing you, she can help herself but to kiss her so much. And now the two of them are still entangled. Well, Jishao, this moment, she was still can't believe it. Facing you is really pushy towards her, especially right now. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!